Okay, a la carte tutorial. If you ever want to find a lesson, just a single lesson in the collaborative lesson bank, this is how you do it. So pretend I'm in my personal lesson bank and I want to find this lesson. Level 2, Unit 4, Lesson 2. Well, all you do is you copy the SN code, and then you come into the collaborative lesson bank and you want to do Control F or Command F if you're on a PC. This will bring up the find in sheet. So Control F or Command F if you're on a Mac. PC, Control F. And then this find in sheet will pop up. F is an easy one, find. I want to find something, F. And then you're just going to paste it in there. As soon as you paste in there, it's going to bring it up automatically. So that's how you do it. It's as easy as that. You find it, and it comes up. Now, second level, my a la carters. If you do not want to pay $30 and have it automatically generate, totally okay. You do not have to pay to use the collaborative lesson bank and have that as a lesson prep system. So this is how you would do it. And I'm going to start all the way from the beginning. So brand new people, you're going to go to Google Drive. This is your very first step. If you do not have a Google account, make a Google account first. That's your very first step. Assuming you have one, then you're going to come to Google Drive. Okay, so now this is Google Drive. You just Googled it. Or if you're logged in, you can you click on here. Or if you're already logged in, up here on your toolbar, if your toolbar is showing the bookmarks, then you can go to Show Apps, Google Drive. Either way you want to get there. And then your personal Google Drive is going to pop up. All you're going to do is come to New, and you want a new sheet. And it's going to come up. And you want to name this My Personal Lesson Bank or Sarah's Personal Lesson Bank. So I'm going to do Demos Lesson Bank so that I know it's not mine, that it's a demo for this video. So you're going to name it Your Name's Lesson Bank. This is voila, you've made it. This is your lesson bank. It doesn't look like anything yet. And then you're going to come to the collaborative lesson bank. Again, you have to, the collaborative lesson bank is like the library, and you got to get a library card. We just want to make sure you know basic things so that you're not messing it up. That's it. I just want to know that you can like copy and paste and navigate in a very basic form. Okay, so once you're here, so you have your demo one, and now you're coming to the collaborative lesson bank. You want to come here to this a la carte template. And all you're going to do is right click on the a la carte template, right click, come up here to copy to, not duplicate, not anything else, copy to. Once you click copy to, this pop-up is going to come up, and you want to click this demo lesson bank. It should be right there because you just made it. If you have any trouble finding it, you can do recent and it should pop up, or you can search it so it's not showing up, but I know that I named it Demos Lesson Bank. Oh, and then it'll come up right there. You select that either way in that one I just did, or click the little picture of it, and then it'll say copied or sheet copied successfully, and you say okay. You're done for the moment with the collaborative lesson bank. You're going to come back over here to your demo sheet and you'll go, what, Sarah, it didn't work. It did work. Just look down here at the bottom and the second tab will be your tab. So that means you can right click on the first sheet and delete it. You don't need this one anymore. So delete that. Heads up, you're going to delete it. Yes, I want to. And now we want to change the name. So double click on that tab and you want to name this My Classes. So these will be all your classes, and you can do a new tab per month or per year, or use the same one forever. Doesn't matter. This is your personal bank. This is not shared with anyone. No one else has access to this. I don't have access to this. This is a doc you made in your personal Google Drive, and you copied it from the collaborative lesson bank, and now you have your thing. So now you have it. You can delete row 2. So click row 2. And then right click and delete, because that was just the instructions of what I just taught you or showed you how to do. And now you have it. Here's your a la carte template, and now you're ready to go to the teacher's portal. So now you come to the teacher's portal and you highlight the classes that you want to do lessons for. So say I want to do these 4, and you're going to copy them, and you're going to come back to your bank. I'm going to move this over here so it's closer, and you're going to paste them in. Ta-da. And the formatting's crazy, so get rid of it. Clear the well, this is what I like. You can do it however you want. Get rid of the borders, align it to the top, do the text wrapping, text wrap. This is overflow, this is clip, we want wrap. And I don't like colors in the background, so click this little paint bucket and do white. And if the colors are crazy, like this it is, then you go to the A stamp and then click black. Okay, now you have it all formatted nicely. So now we're gonna do what I just showed you how to do in the very beginning. You select the lesson, the SN, copy it, come back over to the lesson bank, make sure you're on the master lesson tab, and then Control F. That find and sheet comes up, paste it in there, and it comes up. Now remember, only the orange, so select the first tab, scroll down here, select the last one where there's something, and then Control Copy. Come back over here, and remember, align it with your blue. Control Paste. First lesson done. Come over here, copy, come over to the command, it's already up, replace it in there. Remember, light orange. So select the first one, scroll over, shift, select the last one, copy. Remember the blue, paste. Second lesson's done. Again, copy the SN code, come over here, put it in the find and sheet, paste it in there. Remember your light orange, that's all we want. Highlight it, copy it, come over here, orange or bright blue. So anyway, that's how you do it. You command, you copy it, paste it, and now you have your lesson bank. You need to do this every time before you want to use these lessons, but it will work great. I hope this helps. That is the a la carte pro method. If this gets tedious and you don't want to do this anymore, all you have to do is pay one time $30. It helps pay for the Express Personal Lesson Bank and for all the collaborative lesson bank maintenance. And so you pay one time $30, and then this automatically generates, and it's sweet and it's easy and it's amazing. But if $30 isn't worth it, that is totally okay. This is how you do the a la carte method.